rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Yeah, that makes me a lot better.
Yeah, no, I went ahead and did that. I took No, he didn't do nothing.
Ooh, look at those.
them things looking good back there.
Carbon fiber is sexy.
You got that carpet up there, I see.
Oh yeah, I carpeted the back of the seats and those pieces too to make it all kind of match. But that's actually factory carpet.
Oh, okay. So surely the same one as the seat. You said this is a wood roof, right? Oh, damn, man.
I lost the DV by putting it up, but yeah.
I need to figure this out. How you did this to make it still look?
Between the metal slats,
Yeah.
we cut the wood, PLX'd it, held it up, let it set, took that off, and then I went this way with wood. And then I took my lace layer, was a piece of like 1/4 inch, and it went and it bent. And then this is actually the headliner. I cut the headliner, stapled it to this.
To the wood.
To the wood, and then I took the material and covered it.
Oh man, that's smooth.
So it looks like headliner.
Yeah.
Even my light.
Yeah, I was like, even you put the light back.
Yeah.
So
Drew
smooth.
Jones bragged about that.
Yeah.
He was like, man, that's cool. He even put the light in it.
You can't beat it.
Huh. Let me find it. There we go. While you get X over here.
Savings you just can't beat.
They've been in there for 3 days.
They looking good too, man.
I burped a 62.2. 5 clicks down on the radio, and it's almost the loudest score I've ever done.
Fresh subs.
Fresh subs.
Same amps and everything.
Same box, same amps. Didn't adjust nothing. Dropped them in.
Just put them in and kept going.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.